Today we're going to grill sweet potato. It's really popular. It's the season for sweet potatoes, so we have to do it. First we're gonna peel it off with a potato peeler. Cut it up French fry style. So these are the sizes that you want to have, just about. We're gonna do 2 teaspoons of sea salt, some black pepper, freshly ground, and some olive oil. Spread them around. And then you're ready to grill. So we're gonna just place the potato onto the grill, just like that, on medium-high heat, and just spread it around. And we're gonna close it and cook it like this for a couple of minutes and check back on it. And now it's been a couple of minutes. We're gonna check on the potato. It's nice and charred on the other side, and that's perfect. That's what we want. Just gonna flip it one by one. Some of them are ready, so we're just gonna take them off. Beautiful. Now we're just gonna let them bake some more, a couple more minutes. Let's check back on them again. Just flip them around. And now it looks like they're all ready. The trick is that you just have to keep flipping them to make sure that they cook evenly on all sides. My mom is going to try the sweet potatoes that we made. What does it taste like?
Like sweet potato. Very crispy. Krum. I like it. I can eat a lot. I can eat all of them.